Learn to stop and go. Convenience shops are very much common in all places. It's true that buying from these stores is very convenient for the buyers. You can easily purchase what you want 24/7. While it's accessible to buy from these shops, have you also observed that aside from buying your needs, you also are enticed to pick up those that you do not need at all? For example, you need a bottled water, but as you get out of the shop you are already bringing soft drinks and chips. If you cannot control yourself, you shop, and your money goes away quickly. Instead of shop and go, my suggestion is stop and go. Suggestion number 1. Schedule your visit to the malls. Have you observed that big sale at your favorite malls is scheduled on your payday? Even if there is a huge cut on the price, the intention is really for you to spend and not to save. If business establishments are intent in getting your money, you should be intentional in saving and growing your income. Do not spend your time at the shopping mall, because at the end of the day you will end up spending more than what you've planned to spend. Suggestion number 2. Think before you spend. Before you release your hard-earned money, ask yourself these questions. A. Do I really need this stuff? B. Do I have the source to pay my credit card if I buy this thing? C. Can I buy this at a lower price if I'll check from the other stores? Don't buy on impulse. Be a good steward of the financial resources entrusted to you by God. Suggestion number 3. Overcome your appetite to buy by avoiding ads and sites which entice you to spend. If you are eating in buffet restaurants, do you stop eating when you are full? Or you will continue eating even if you are already full and your stomach is already aching? Many find it difficult to stop because they are surrounded with tempting and mouth-watering dishes. The stomach is already full, but the eating won't stop because there are still a lot of food on the table. It's the same in spending. The wallet cannot take it, but because there are a lot of stuff on display, the buying won't stop. To overcome your appetite for needless shopping, stop looking at advertisements. Stop visiting online shopping sites. Stop and go. Suggestion number 4. Pray instead of pay. The way we manage our financial resources is directly related to our spiritual life. There are more or less 800 verses in the Bible that talks about money. How you manage your resources will tell if your priorities in life are in order. When you receive financial blessings, stop and thank the Lord. When you can buy, pray and ask God for wisdom and self-control to have the wisdom when buying. Know how you worked hard to earn your income. You also must work doubly hard to save and let it grow. On this Payday Friday, stop needless shopping.